This is in Bell Harbor at the Haulover Inlet.
Is this you on TikTok?
Yeah, Miami Heaven. Yeah, I'm live right now. You can see yourself.
Okay. I should have watched.
You're able to see the live or no?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. If you want followers, just go on and say, this is me, and people are going to click on it. I don't know how it works, but that's how it is. I always think of a slow song when they go by. You know, they rock. They are going fishing, that's correct. I say Kelly because it's part of the Kelly fleet. They have Atlantis, they have a Hurricane, and they have Mucho K. One of our viewers from Texas went on it. That's how I found out about it. I thought it was different boats, but they told me it's part of the Kelly fleet. So I'm going to show you something that has been occurring lately, but it's a little nicer today. And it's like last month because it's right near the... Let me zoom out, I guess. It's right near the moon. You see that ray? See, it starts over there, and the ray ends up right near the moon. So we're gonna wait for a little more lightning, a drop of more lightning. Oh, thank you. We may have lightning. Somebody reminded us about Bruno. I think we have to be here for Bruno's lightning. You know what's an interesting thing? Let's see if we can accomplish it. Yeah, let's look a little bit at the waves. And in our peripheral vision, we should look up. Our upper peripheral vision, we should keep an eye for the lightning. But let's focus on the waves. I gotta show you the waves on the inlet right now. I'll get back to the lightning, but I really gotta show these to you. Look what's happening. They're like stretching. It seems like the tide's coming in and out. I don't know if you can see. It looks like they're working hard to get there. You see, yeah, like that. You see, it's like a different type of waves. It's like they're pushing and something's pushing against it. Maybe it's incoming and outgoing. I don't know. When the tides, do they have changing of the guards with the tides? Because many of the what's it called, laugh on the way out. Many of the waves laugh. They can't. They're not like human. So we're gonna get back to the lightning. I just wanted to give you an idea of what those waves look like. We're gonna get back to the lightning, the moon, and the waves. The waves are very peaceful to watch up until the lightning comes. I don't know. Maybe if I mention Bruno to adults, maybe the lightning will come, or maybe I should just say Bruno as they walk by, something like that. Okay, yes. Thank you for listening. I'm screaming to those people there because the lightning worked. And it worked again. Let me give you more of the moon. We got lucky, even though your dog's name is not Bruno. You see what's going on? It's just happening and happening. And by the way, you can check it out. This is not a TikTok app or a TikTok plugin that makes the lightning. This is lightning in real life, and it's lightning that comes because of Bruno. Now that part was a joke. The Bruno part was a joke, but it is real lightning. Listen, there's more. There's someone even smaller. So we'll mention Bruno. Oh, I'll find out. I even know that baby's name. Hi, long time no see. Is baby Alex old enough to talk about Bruno? Baby Alexander old enough to talk about Bruno? We're looking for lightning. Because when we speak about Bruno, the lightning comes. So it's interesting. That could be like the mother wants the baby to be called Alexander, and it's possible, although it could be my imagination. And the grandmother, yes! And the grandmother wants it to be called Alex. But that could be my mistake. I may have made that abbreviation. But for some reason, there's Yoel's mom. So I think Yoel is here too. She raised 2 single kids. I'll ask her if she spoke about Bruno with them when they were younger, because they came out really good, both of them. You saw the lightning, right? You'll see it. It's happening a lot. Yeah. Oh, you see it from the balcony? Okay, cool. So that's Yoel and his mom. That's Kevin's mom also. Kevin went diving for us at night. Whoa, hi. Can I ask you, did you talk about Bruno with your kids when they were small? No? Okay, thanks. That's why they came out so good. She didn't speak to them about Bruno. I don't think Bruno was out yet anyway. I'm gonna ask Yoel for his permit. Hopefully he'll show me his permit fish. Okay, now, whoa! We talk about Bruno and the lightning comes. Now, I keep track of the sleeves on this. The tattoo sleeves. Let's keep track every night. I always check to see if anything was added. Eventually, I think it's going to be a full body tattoo. You'll see when they go by. Yes, Big Dave, we're having a lot of luck with lightning, and it's constantly coming. So we're gonna ask Yoel for his permit, and we're gonna confirm that his mother never spoke to him about Bruno. Remember, Yoel's mother raised Yoel and Kevin on her own. She comes here to fish with them. They're the sweetest people. Yoel shows me his fish every day, and Kevin went diving for us.